Hariom, Shri Ram, Ambadnya. I am Pallavi Veera Taishete from Malar Upasana Kendra. Today I am going to narrate you my Aniruddha Bapu's grace that was showered on my brother Kaustubh Vijay Singh Taishete. Was 39-year old when he had a massive heart attack. It was 8th February 2019 when my sister-in-law called me up. She said, "Where are you?" I said, "I'm at home." She said, "Okay, fine. Please come to the Malad East Hospital. Your brother has had a massive heart attack." I was shocked to hear this. Heart attack, and that too massive one? Oh God. I just looked at Bapu's photograph. I told him, "Bapu, please take care of us." I bowed to him. Took Udi and left for hospital. When I reached the ICU, I saw my brother, who was very pale. His skin was darkened. He had some dried blood around his mouth, and he was about to cry when he saw me. I went to him, applied Udi on his forehead. I gave him some Udi and I told him, "Now don't worry, dear. Bapu has safeguarded you." I turned, came out and cried for a while because there were decisions to be taken regarding angiography and angioplasty. We contacted Dr. Linam Veera Padelkar, and through her we got Dada's consultation that we should go for angioplasty. On doing angiography, we came to know that he had 3 blockages, one of which was 95%. 3 blockages, 95% blockage, all at the age of 39 years. Isn't it bad? But that is all because of him. He never used to take his BP medications on time. He used to say nothing is going to happen. That careless attitude caused him his life. But Bapu was there to save him again. It so happened that when he was in his office, he started getting a severe chest pain. He called his boss. His boss pulled over a car and they came to hospital. He was taken to OPD. There his BP was shoot up. Due to chest pain and shoot up in BP, he was admitted in ICU. At that very moment, when he was admitted in ICU, at that very moment the cardiologist of the hospital was on the round of the ICU. Now who has done this? My Bapu's active intervention for his child saved his life. My Bapu took all care, arranged vehicle, arranged help, arranged the doctor near him when he was going to have a massive heart attack. This is what I strongly believe. Yes, it was my Bapu and Bapu alone. After 4 days, he was discharged from the hospital. While we were settling our bills with the chemist of the hospital, seeing the name, he said, "Oh, you are the same patient who had a massive heart attack, who was given shock treatment and who was given that injection?" We said, "Yes, it's him." "Then how come you are discharged within 4 days?" He was astounded. But to us, we know who was with him. My Bapu, who was with him during his attack. His Bapu was with him, and so he was saved. All because of Bapu. Hariom, Shri Ram, Ambadnya.